Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, you will learn how to mirror a video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import the video clip you want to mirror. Go to the File menu, select Import, and choose your video file. Alternatively, you can drag and drop the video file directly into the project panel. Locate your imported video in the project panel. Drag the video clip to the timeline to create a new sequence. As you can see, mine is already on my timeline. Ensure the clip is selected for the next steps. Next, go to Effects, then search for Transform. Select the effect and drag and drop this one to your clip that you want to mirror. With the video clip selected in the timeline, navigate to the Effect Controls panel. If you don't see this panel, go to Windows in the top menu and select Effect Controls. We will going to use Scale Height and Scale Width. If in case you don't see those tools, make sure to uncheck this uniform scale over here. Next, to mirror the clip horizontally, set the scale width value to -100% for the horizontal flip. To mirror the clip vertically, adjust the scale height value for vertical flip by setting Y value to -100%. Once done, play back your clip in the program monitor to see how the mirroring looks. And there you go. You have now successfully mirrored a video clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.